throw a rod.
I gotta restart it. Or you could actually do it to the throttle cable right here.
It's all the way.
Let off?
I think the timing's still too far advanced.
Well, he has it forward too.
Yeah, we need to. Keep it forward. This distribution's starting to get annoying.
Hey, when you get it started, come to this side.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna spray from over here.
Why?
Because I don't want the flames popping in my...
Yeah.
I don't want them at me either. I already lost my arms.
No, you lost your ear, not your arm. Someone had to say it.
Next time someone asks you what happened, like, oh, nitrous backfire.
Yeah. Then you showed them the video of my car.
Alrighty.
Dancing.
It's on fire. Oh! Trigger's gonna burn down.
Oh, where's the fire shit?
I don't know.
It's over in the dyno bay. Add more nitrous.
My God!
Should I?
Oh,
No way.
dude, my dad's gonna be so pissed.
Why?
I just used the fire extinguisher.
God damn it!
I can't, man. Stop.
I wasn't here.
God damn it, dude. It's all blown up. It's not like she was on a mission right there. Dude, that's probably 67 horsepower.
Dude, we should f***ing get it running, go do a pull down the street with it.
I don't know if I would run good for that. We don't
Just
have-
put the nitrous bottle in the passenger seat. Send it.
I'm about it, you know.
Let's do it.
I just don't want it to burn down the street, you know.
Bring a fire
Take the
extinguisher.
fire extinguisher with you.
Yeah, we need to fix this fuel line.
Grab a zip tie.
Well, I have the fuel. Dude, we need to turn that fuel pump off.
I know, because it's still pumping.
So,
Kill it.
disconnect it.
I like the new color though.
Alright.
If the key's on, it's still gonna be running though. Like the glass part off this truck right there, that glass, I bet you someone needs that.
Look at that.
At least the carburetor knows its place. Not trash. Oh, look, we just have to hold it wide open.
What the f? Grab that sledgehammer.
Where's my juice?
Grab the sledgehammer. What juice?
My carburetor juice.
Right below you.
Just put the fucking fuel line straight in there.
We're good now. Might need a little. It's on fire, boy.
That was a wing pop from hell.
There's another one. Go open up the gas pedal. Hold it wide open right now.